Hey everyone, how's it going? So now I'm just going to show you how it was when I first started applying for jobs at Pros, and back then I didn't have any experience at all. I mean, I already knew how to write a good cover letter, but I didn't know how to be honest on that cover letter, and I was lying. I'm going to show you so you can get a better idea of how funny it was. Let's have a look at how much emails I've sent over the past 3 months. So yeah, sometimes I took a gap because I was studying at the same time, studying translation, studying other languages, studying and other stuff. So sometimes I would take a gap between applying for jobs. And to be honest, I'm kind of taking a gap right now because I'm focusing on my marketing skills before I apply for more jobs. I mean, I'm applying for at least one agency every day, but I don't always send emails to them. If I have the option of applying on their website, I do that. So let's have a look at those emails. So let's have a look at my first email I've ever sent to applying for a translation job. It wasn't even a translation job, it was an audio transcription job. I I believe it was at Pros. So yeah, I'm a professional translator and interpreter. Yes, I also do interpretation. Of course I do. I would like to offer you my services. Guys, it might be of your interest. I provide 24/7 service. I am a machine. I'm telling you, I'm a machine. So that my clients receive excellent service regardless of me not sleeping at all. Because it's 24/7. You don't sleep, you don't have time to sleep, you're always working. Yeah. I support many types of online and offline payment system, whatever that means. And my motivation and purpose is money. But, well, I believe it was something different back then. So look at this one. Dear someone, I'm a professional translator from English into Portuguese and I'm writing in response to your post on. Yeah, pretty good, right? Then, I'm experienced in translating RPG Maker games, visual novels, mobile games, and so on. Well, I've played RPG games before. I've played visual novels, and mobile games, but I've never translated at all. So I'm used to translating with Mimo key. Yeah, I know how it works, but I didn't back then. And I can translate up to 5,000 words a day, 7 days a week. Yeah, pretty good, right? For this one, I sent an email to this manager, and that person answered me. So they answered like, "Hello, Lucas. Thank you for your interest in collaborating with us. Kindly let me know more details about your experience in the field of online games. Looking forward, blah blah blah." So I was like, "Gosh, hello, hello. When it comes to translating online games, I was a volunteer for translating RuneScape into Portuguese." Yes, of course. I'm also taking some courses on games localization. Yes, I have. Of course. Oh my god. Look at my pricing back then. It was 0.4 cents of dollars. No, I mean, it's 0.04. It should be 0.04. I believe you're going to be rich if you receive all that. I don't know. So this is one of my most recent emails I have sent. Yeah, I was applying for an agency through email. I'm trying my best so I won't lie and show exactly who I am and what kind of experience I have now. For example, with knowledge, I am meaning that I have knowledge, but I may not have translated it before. It doesn't mean that I've translated it before. I do have knowledge in games, I do have knowledge in culinary because I've worked with it, and I do have knowledge in history because I've translated as a volunteer. So I can translate up to 4,000 words daily. I believe anyone can do that, but yeah, it might be tiring, but that's what I'm trying to do. My pricing, I don't think I want to go for anything below that, even though it might not get me much jobs in the beginning, but I'm going to stick with it for a while. And please find attached my CV. I'd like to inform I'm available for new projects. Yeah, and that's what I'm. Sometimes, of course, I do some editing. It depends on the company and what kind of job I'm applying for. But yeah, I believe it's a decent email now. If you have any tips on how can I make it better, please tell me. And I forgot to mention that before pros, I was looking for an opportunity at Fiverr.com. But soon I realized I wasn't gonna get far if I wanted to take it seriously. So yeah, Fiverr didn't work at all for me. And I believe that pros is the right place if you want to start somewhere. And even though I didn't get any job up until now, I did get a lot of experience and opportunities through there. I'm not in a rush, that's something I believe you can't be at all when you're just starting out. I have to magically get my first experience somewhere, and I believe that's going to make things a little bit easier.